Hi, I'm back. So I just let my dog, in my room today, and, he likes to sleep on my lap. So cute. His name is Eddie. Already posted a video about what his name is. His name's Eddie, a Jack Russell Terrier or a Fox Terrier. We're not sure, but, yeah. He's so cute. I picked out his collar. It's a flame collar. You can see it. And we got him a bell because last time we don't know where he is. And we don't care to look, so we just gotta listen for the bell. But he's so cute. Like, I gave him a treat this morning. At like right before I went to the bus, so around like 6:30ish. And he wanted another one, and I couldn't say no to the puppy face. He's crawling out of my lap. He's my iPad baby. Oh, cutest little one. And look, cute little baby cat paws. So cute. And so cute. This is also not my first terrier big puppy on. I had another terrier, a West Highland White Terrier. He passed about a summer or two ago. And today was the last day of school for middle school, 6th grade. That's my terrier. The top is the one where he just got groomed. And then this is when my grandmother crocheted a stuffed animal to look like him. That's me about a year or two ago. It's like a towel-ish blanket. The grass one is when he just laid down in the grass and wouldn't move. They cut the picture off weird, so we only get to see like his paws and his nose. And then the bottom one is from when I was 4 or 5. And yeah, adorable. Hi. Yes, he's right here. He's so cute too. Look up. Bye, guys. Hold on. Bye, guys. Big puppy on. Bye, guys.